Bobby Haggard with TrinSoft here, and as we've all experienced as a result of the coronavirus and social distancing, the use of video conferencing tools has really taken off lately, and we wanted to share with you 10 tips to consider on your next video conference. First, consider utilizing free resources that can be accessed online, such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or Skype. Second, in connection with that, consider installing the app version of these video conferencing tools on your phone. If your local internet is experiencing high usage, which affects connectivity, a possible alternative may be to use the app version on your phone. Third, we encourage video conferencing whenever possible. This allows you to be more present and engaged in these meetings. Additionally, being able to see facial expressions can help increase connectivity and understanding for all parties. Number 4, check your surroundings. Be aware of what's in view during the video call. Possibly consider using the blur my background option available in Teams and other similar tools, which can help minimize distractions and protect privacy. Number 5, the best lighting is natural light. When setting up for a video call, try and position yourself facing a window if possible. It will enhance your look and help with lighting. Never place a window or light source directly behind you. Number 6, during the video call, you want to make sure you're looking at the camera when you're speaking and at the face of others when it's their turn. Resist the urge to look at yourself in the smaller frame in the corner of your screen. Now 7, pause and allow time for others to speak. It can be hard to find space to speak in a meeting, and even harder when everyone is virtual. As the great philosopher Vanilla Ice once said, stop, collaborate, and listen. Remember to mute your microphone when you're not speaking during a video call. However, don't forget to unmute it when it's your turn to talk. Number 9, be sure to monitor meeting chat. People may not feel comfortable breaking into a conversation, or they may be having technical difficulties, so be sure to check that meeting chat often for comments. And finally, video can sometimes become strained due to limited bandwidth. Consider turning your camera off if the connection is poor. All right, we hope you find these 10 tips helpful as you prepare for your next video conference call. Finally, if you're not already, please get connected with your TrinSoft team. Please visit our website and check out our resource page where we have listed several updates related to COVID-19, tips and tricks for working remotely, and much more. Additionally, be sure to give us a follow on Twitter where we are constantly posting updates, tips, links, and much more. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.